Hi, Frank Smith here. Today's adventure takes us to New Jersey, a little town called Frenchtown. We're on the Horseshoe Bend Trail. Have no idea what to expect. This is the first time I've been here. Let's take a look and see what we can find.
My hope for the day was to find some early signs of autumn, but still take advantage of some of the greenery left over from summer. In addition, I was also hoping to find some waterways along the way. I think for the most part I was reasonably successful, but I'll let you be the judge.
So we found some amazing mushrooms along the way. There's been quite a few on the trails, but there's some over here that has some incredible color. I'm gonna walk up to that, show you what we're gonna try to get here and see what we can come up with.
After a long day of hiking and photography, it was time for a break and a late lunch, and what better place to be than the Narrows restaurant.